This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. It's Wednesday, so let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. So we saw that market was just going down, which is normal. I was just reading the news. There are still these things of inflation. Even when today we have like economic news for Fed rate decision. So around 8 o'clock. So we're going to have news like that. I think that. Also have a very huge impact on our stocks. So let me just do the analysis, our daily analysis, as it's Wednesday. Guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that like and share with your friends. Let's grow the channel. See, just hit the I'm not continuing if you don't hit that subscribe button or that like button. I'm still waiting for you. I can see you still thinking I'm going to continue. No, I'm not. Okay, let's just go. I hope you smashed that button. I can see. um Let me just go to a daily time frame. Or before I go, I do that, I see a very nice support and resistance here. You can see here it's a support, here it's a resistance. So that is very valid, guys. I used to talk about that now and then. If maybe you did check this one here, I think now you already know what I was talking about. So this is an area, guys. It's a zone where we should just look at. Why? Because we see something like this here. Let's say it's nice here. You can see here we had this area here which was supported. Even here you can see the market resisted from that level, so that's why the market is now pushing lower. But at the moment I can't see we have a very nice support unless if the market reaches this area. Or what we can do, we can just go to a bit bigger time frame where we can say let's draw our support, a very strong support or resistance. So here I'll just go to like a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, guys, this will help you when you don't see that resistance or support. This will help you to able to draw those lines nicely. You don't have to force anything to do what you want. You can see here I connected like firstly is this one, and this one, even this. I think even that. So since this is a zone, guys, as I'm touching, let's say we touch the wick, so I need to touch some few candlesticks. You can see, you see. So this is how you draw your support. So guys, I'm launching my website. I think is going to be live very soon. So I'll share the information with you when my website is live. So we're growing, guys. Thanks to everyone who subscribed already. But here, since you are on a daily time frame, guys, you can see that we just left with few pips for the market to reach this area. I think during the day the market can reach, let me zoom that. I think during the day the market will reach this area. So if maybe you're there to sell, I think it's fine. You can still sell up to this area. Then around this area you can also draw your support around here. It's also another level. The market is possible it can reach this area or it can respect. Let me show you that again. The market can respect this area, or we can try to have this one here. You can see around this area. If the market doesn't respect this, the market, it's possible that it can break this one and comes around here. But still, if you check, it's still our support. Then if it comes around here, it means we're going to have another nice opportunity to buy. But around this time, I think it will be that time when they announce the Fed rate decisions in the US. Around, in my time zone, it's 8 o'clock in the evening. So I think when those that event is released, I think the market will be around this area. Then we can see another push up, or if things are bad, we will see the market selling off again. It will be crazy. It means I'll be taking my sales. Is if or my short position if the market breaks this area, you see. So you should also follow the news if you don't know. Still check my WhatsApp there. I will share you with there's other apps that I use to check my daily news. Before I do these things, I check everything if maybe I'm up to date. You have to up to date yourself, guys, with the news, because sometimes you'll just see the market going down without any reason. But when you check on the news, you will find, okay, this guy Jerome Powell, he was talking about this and that. So I don't think maybe there is anything that you want to see here. Why? Because we are on a daily. So this is our nice, very strong support that we can look at, you see. So let's go to a bit smaller, because I see someone maybe is thinking about why don't you go to a bit smaller time frame. Still on a very small time frame, this support still stays the same, you see. That support that I have drawn is here. It means we can just leave the market to reach this area, then we can take those nice buys. But remember, this area again is still our support, sorry, our resistance. It means if maybe you place your TPs or your take profit, or you can just lock your profit and trail stop until the market maybe breaks this area. But sometimes it's not easy for the market to break these areas. The market will just play around, consolidate around here before it can break, you see. So at the moment we are still under bearish momentum. So let me show you that again. You can also do something like this. You can say, okay, let me just throw something like this. And it's been some few days, guys, since April, since we see this. You see the market never broke this area, you see. So it means for us to have that nice buy. I showed this information in my group, but I also showed this on my free YouTube, like here. If you checked my yesterday's video, I think you saw that. But you can see that this market never broke this area since we had this sell-off. We are on a wedge where the market is just playing around. If we have that breakout, guys, it will be a good thing for us. It will show us that the market is going to go up. It will be a very good indicator or a sign where we say the market is breaking. Now we're heading up, but we are still on a very nice uptrend, unless if this strong support is broken. Even if we have this resistance, it means the bearish are still strong until we have this breakout. Why? Because here it's a support. It's where like demand and support, whatever and supply comes in. So it's where enough money is. If you get your positions around this place, the market will just shoot up. I hope maybe you understand that. So here I don't have much to say, so let's go straight to US30 and see what's really happening there. This pairs, they're all affected by this inflation thing, but I think later on we will see one of them recovering, whether it's US30 or NASDAQ. We will see one of them recovering very nicely. Guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and also if you want to be in extra hot premium groups, VIP groups, is still on special. It's $50 one-time fee. You get all those good stuffs in there, all those gold, US30, NASDAQ, S&P 500, US oil, you can name them. So there are so many, I can't finish them. So you see on US30 is much similar to NASDAQ. It's also selling off. It means we are waiting for the market to reach this area before we can say maybe we're looking to go up. If we break this area, is then we can say the market is going to go lower, you see. So let's see, maybe on a bit smaller time frame, but I think things are still the same. So let me show you something. Last week we also had something like this. We had a very nice breakout, you see. So the market was just creating something like that. This was a very nice sell-off. Then we add this breakout. So here again we also have something like this where it's a resistance. It means the market is playing below that resistance. It's like a ceiling or a roofing where we don't break above. If we break above, it means it's where we're going to see the market going higher. But I think maybe the market will just reach this area where it's actually it's our strong support before maybe we can go higher, you see. But sometimes the market will just create those fake breakouts. Sometimes be careful, especially as when we have like strong economic news like this one. So be careful out there. Just stay out of the market unless if maybe you're selling around this area. Then but also be careful because the market, when it rejects, it will just reject very quickly, you see. So I hope you can understand that. If you don't understand, I don't know. Let's go to gold. Gold has been going up. Just subscribe, guys. While this thing is still loading, you can subscribe. So if you checked my previous videos, you will see that I showed you how gold moves. So gold moves like this, create this consolidation. I can see another consolidation, so we can have another breakout from here. Even here you can see the consolidation. So the market creates something like this, break, create something like this, then go up like that, create something like that, you see. So I also see this consolidation happening here. So you don't have to be fooled by this. The market is still actually pushing up. So what you can do is to wait for that nice you can see that what I was talking about. Let me show you if maybe you did not see that. You see what the market creates. Here I also expect something like this. So let me use a different color. So the market do something like, oh, this is a very, the market creates something like this. Sorry, what am I doing? So let's see. I need something very bright that you can see, guys. Okay, something like this, but this is not nice. Something like this. This one's ugly, but you can see that. I hope you can see that it's create. We have this breakout, and we can also have that breakout again before we have another consolidation, you see. So on gold, there's nothing much that I can show you, but the bigger picture here is we are still on a very nice uptrend. We can see this consolidation before the market pushes higher again, you see. So at the moment I think everything's still fine with gold. So stay safe out there because we still have those economic news which will affect everything, even gold. Why? Because it's XAU USD, so it's also versus gold, so it means it's going to be affected by those economic news. So guys, if you want to be in the group, just WhatsApp me. Don't forget to do that. Check my description, you will find my contacts. You can WhatsApp me, you can also Telegram me. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you for watching. Thanks to everyone who subscribe, guys. You made this channel grow very faster. We are reaching 600 now. I think maybe in few weeks we will be on 600. In few months we will be on 1,000, which is great, so that we can reach so many people out there who really need some help. If you want the strategy that I'm using, if you want the documents, I will just send those documents to you. Don't worry, it's for free only. You will pay only for my signals and my teaching on my private or VIP group. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bow.